Okay, this is Packet Tracer 5393, backing up a Cisco router configuration to a TFTP server. The objectives on this is to save the current running configuration to the startup configuration, back up the configuration to an STP server. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. From the customer PC, we're going to use the terminal emulation software to connect to the console of the customer Cisco 1841 ISR. And that is right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to desktop and terminal. And we're going to configure the terminal configuration, of course. And here we're just going to, you can see the bits per second, the data bits, all of that. And we're going to say OK to this. And it will bring up this other sub screen here that has all the information that we're going to need. Down here at the bottom, you can see that it asks us for a password, and we have to put our privileged exec in to make this work. And for these demonstration purposes, the password is Cisco. And it gets you into the customer router. And then we're going to type copy running config. Okay, it's actually, you have to type in copy running dash config space startup config. And okay, we've got that in, and now it comes up with destination file name, startup config with a question mark. Um, and if we hit enter, it comes up with the customer router number is the next step. And what we want to do is test connectivity to the THPC server. And we're going to do this by pinging it. And we know that the address is 192.168.1.10. And it is sending out, and you can see that the success rate is 100%. And so we've tested the connection, and it's working fine. And because we can ping it, we know that we can access it or save files to it. And the next thing we need to do is we're going to type in copy startup dash config space TFTP. And we're going to enter, and it's going to ask for the name of the um, address or the host. Let's see, now I've got to write that out again because I messed up. And with that, we'll put in the 192.168.1.10. It should be 192.168.1.1. And now it's wanting our password again. Um, Damn it. Go on.